Yeah, you can bring up the girls now. Daddy can bring you upstairs now, guys. Come on. Okay, so you have to leave there now. Ah, honey, about this, where this goes? Love you. Did you save some, anak? I like it. You're so pretty. I love you. Hey, can I have that? Really? Wow. There's nothing on the. Okay, let's go, Jelana, upstairs. See that. Do it tomorrow. I love you. Okay, come on. You're almost done. Okay. Okay, one more last. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. Good job. I think, Jelana, there's need more here. See? Oh, yeah. Maybe here at the back, anak. Here at the back. See? You got at the back, see? About here at the back. No? Meron pa sa likod. See, look at. Oh, did you fix it? Oh, yeah, good job. Do you want me to fix it? No. It works like that? Okay, let's go now. Okay, last. Oh, here, see. You have to find her at same. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. You see it. Just put it there. Yeah, yeah. Okay. There's a toilet there. Oh, the fridge. Oh, no, 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 not that one. Oh. Okay, that's where you wanna go. About here. Yep. No. Too bad. Oh, maybe on the side, Jelana, see.